सब पे एक वुमनिया भारी है।
तो आज मेरे साथ I have two really like fellow progressive people which I absolutely love because they're doing a movie called Janhit Nizari, which I absolutely am looking forward to. I have with me Nusrat, old time friend and lover. And I have Anuj with me.
Hi.
So the first question is कि सिमरन ने ये पूछा था. She asked me also and she asked me to ask Nusrat. What is your take on कि chemist पर जाकर a girl asks for protection? Do you think that works? That doesn't work?
No, it should work. I don't think we should think about whether it works or doesn't work. After you buy it, it works for you, right?
Have you ever done it?
Of course, I've looked at the eyes also staring at me and I'm like, moving on. I really just want that. Can you give it to me and can you just not look at me? And I don't. And the thing with me, people recognize me also, right? So it's worse for me. It's not just meri gali, sheher, mohalla. It's everybody. So I'm like, what would you want me to say that I don't have sex? That's just, sorry, but that's supremely unhealthy, even for women as much as it is for men.
I agree.
So yeah, definitely having protected sex, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Like when I go to a chemist, I like being really dramatic about it. So I'll be like, कि आपके पास क्या क्या हाँ तो मैं मजे लेती हूँ. What about you?
Yeah, condom. No.
I just think कि आपके पास क्या क्या flavors हैं, क्या क्या like you know what.
I really believe at the end of the day, it's for your protection. It saves you from the certain headache that follows, the stress. Even let's just say nothing wrong happens, but you're still in that dilemma, that stress for a stipulated period of time. So it's worth it, yeah. Who is that? The judgment from somebody you probably don't even know or care should not matter in front of your own health. It's like इसका कुछ कौन मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है. It's all pros here. And to be honest, बाहर जाके केमिस्ट से खरीदने में शर्म आ रही है. ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर.
कौन से ये कि बाकी सब डम है और हम नहीं है.
कौन सी रवि है कि exactly. And honestly, my perspective is या तो केमिस्ट के पास जाकर कॉन्डम खरीद लो या केमिस्ट के पास जाकर प्रेगनेंसी किट खरीद लो. I mean, it's
या सैनिटरी नैपकिन खरीद लो या प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट खरीद लो. क्या हो गया?
No, it's like if you don't buy a condom, then you'll have to buy a pregnancy test kit.
I also wanted to ask you actually, both of you. I feel like men, अगर वो condoms use कर रहे हैं, they're interested in making sure that no one in the scene gets pregnant because इतना सर दर्द कौन handle करेगा. Or sometimes they are concerned about the fact that it shouldn't like bring disease upon them. But how sensitized do you think men generally are to the fact that a woman's health also matters? It's not just one thing or the other. It's all of it. It's
The base of this that depends on whether that person loves you or doesn't. If you're having a fling and if he's just there for the night, then you can't expect him to love you, right? Then even if he's just using a condom so that he doesn't get into a problem or he doesn't get an STD, that's fine as long as he uses it. Because if he's doing it for himself, in that same process, he's protecting you as well.
that's actually true.
तो अभी उसका judge तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. How sensitive they'll be towards the person they love is, I think men will have to answer that.
Yeah.
Yes, let's be sensitive towards everybody, not just people that we love or care about. We live in a world which comprises of everybody, and everybody deserves a little bit of sensitivity. Not every now and then, all the time. So please be sensitive and look out for yourself, and in the process, you end up looking out for the other person as well. It's a win-win.
I fully agree.
And for the women, very specifically, since you're living in an age of Tinder and Bumble and Raya, and I don't know how many swipe rights and left, if that's your life, then please don't wait for him to get a condom and for him to use the brains for it. Just stock it up at home and keep it. What's the big deal?
I know, right?
How naive it is to know what you're getting into without. It's like going to a war without arsenals, without guns, without armaments.
अरे मतलब मुझे लगता है कि इतनी शर्म है ना तो फिर सेक्स भी मत करो. उससे भी शर्म करो. Don't go on dating apps. Don't have flames. Don't have these one night stands. Don't have them.
Okay, so I'm basically मेरे को बहुत सारे DMs आते हैं on my show and I'm not going to answer them. You guys are going to answer them for a change. Yeah, my DMs. Siddhi says, मेरा boyfriend मुझसे hot photos मांगते रहते हैं सारे time and I don't know if it's an okay thing to do. And honestly, like this is also about safety and privacy, right? So I don't know what to tell her because she's saying he's asking, but I will only go ahead if you tell me what to do because.
Suggestion. The day he asks you for a hot picture, dress up hot and land up at his house. Just deliver it personally.
Yeah.
And do not let him take pictures.
Yeah,
And do not send him pictures.
Kinjal ने पूछा है that she is asking कि he and I are in the mood for sex, but वो कॉन्डम ही नहीं होता है फिर इतनी भसड़ हो
तो
जाती
खरीद के रखो ना, भसड़ नहीं होगी।
केमिस्ट 24 आवर्स ओपन होते हैं, ये थोड़ी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज होती है।
And especially when you know कि you are always in the mood, always be stocked. It's like not keeping घर में आटा, क्योंकि भूख लगती है ना दिन में 3 बार. There is atta at home, there's food at home.
Guys,
Keep
this
condoms
was
at
dumb.
home.
Yeah, this
Like
was really
the other side of
Do not be dumb,
Dumb.
use condom.
स्मृति has said कि मेरे दोस्तों ने मेरे बैग में कॉन्डम देखा and they're judging me for it. That वो इतनी प्रोग्रेसिव हो गई है तू, है ना? What would you say?
how hang out with more progressive people that also carry condoms in their bags, just like
Try to lift them up, but if you can't, do not get burdened by them and get pulled down. You're
don't
smart.
regress.
Yeah, don't regress. You're smart, stay that way. Be better.
अच्छा, so ये हमारे साथ है हमारे साथ. Obviously, an interview. None of us want to wrap up, so we're just like extending it as much as we can. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon with celebrating the super success of your amazing movie. You May Kiss My Hand. Thank you very much. We do have it on camera, and with that, it's a wrap.